Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Import your attendee list with names, roles, and any unique ID or QR payload so records match cards. Once done, open your design tool and set the card dimensions to the standard size, add the logo and photo box, and set text styles for legibility. Make sure to select 300 DPI and CMYK for print. This prevents layout surprises later and keeps badges consistent across batches. Now move into the detailed execution. Build clearly labeled layers for background, logo, photo, and text so you can lock or hide elements as needed. Then set up a data merge or variable fields linking first name, last name, role, company ID, and photo path. This automates batch production. Once variables are mapped, run a small test merge with 3 representative records to inspect alignment, text overflow, photo crops, and QR readability. If adjustments are needed, tweak templates. Finish by producing a single proof on the intended card stock and inspect colors, margins, and bleed. This avoids wasting a full run. Once approved, print the batch, laminate or use PVC cards, and punch slots or attach clips. Assemble cards in order and verify ID against the attendee list. If something goes wrong, for example, QR codes fail or photos look pixelated, regenerate images at 300 DPI. Rescan or recreate QR codes, re-export as CMYK PDF, and reprint the corrected proof before full production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.